Hi, Michelle here from Straw-Bearie. It is shoebox packing season, and I'm going to show you what I packed for a girl ages 10 to 14 to help give you some ideas on how you can make your Operation Christmas Child shoeboxes fun, full, and personalized. When she opens up the box, this is what she's going to see. I made this cover art on Canva and printed it out on my printer. It says, God will rejoice over you with singing. Zephaniah 3:17b. I just love that verse. Just knowing that God rejoices over me with singing. Oh my goodness, that is just, it's amazing. God is so good. This is what she's gonna see if I move this notebook over. There you go. So let's see what else she's got. She has a headband. She has a notebook for school. Inside her notebook, she has some stickers. She has a doll. This is one of the dolls from Encanto. I found a set of Encanto dolls, and look how pretty she is with her long hair. So I've put in a hairbrush that she can either use on the doll or she can use on herself with a couple little hair ties. And I just stuck her in an organza wine bag. It's like the perfect thing to put a little Barbie-sized doll in and keep it all together and make it special. This doll is larger than your regular Barbie, so the Barbie clothes do not fit her, but she's still a beautiful, amazing doll, even without extra clothes. Okay, so here's all the other stuff in her box, and this is, oh my goodness, this is, hey, do you remember these little squiggly worm things that I can hold it on a string and I can have it crawl on things. I teach middle school, and one of my girls this year was playing with one of these, and I was like, oh, I remember those. Those could be so much fun. So I decided, and it was a girl that was playing with it at school, so I was like, I'm going to put it in a girl box. And so I found one and put it in a girl box. She has a finger skateboard. My mom, this summer, she was in skilled nursing to recover from a hospital stay, and her roommate made me a ton of dancing ribbon rings. So all of my girl boxes are getting a dancing ribbon ring, no matter what age they are, because you know what? I like to worship God with flags and with banners and with streamers. And so I would hope that this little girl would have fun with that as well. She has a stuffed animal. I'm not even sure exactly what this is, maybe a dinosaur, but isn't he cute? I did find him last year at Walmart after Christmas clearance. So as we get close to Christmas, make sure you're checking out the clearance after Christmas. She has a water bottle, and I've put some stickers on her water bottle. Inside her water bottle, well, she has a set of gel pens, and I do have these gel pens held together with a hair tie and a paper clip with a little tassel on them. But wait, there's more. She's got some more hair ties. More hair ties. This is a necklace that I made. I had the necklace part, and then I just put a charm on it. And then here is a ring that I bought, and it's an adjustable size ring, so that it doesn't matter what size finger she has, she'll be able to do that. And that's in a cute little sparkly organza bag. She has a scrunchie, which you can wear on your hair or you can wear as a bracelet. A lot of girls do that. She has a cool purple and pink Hot Wheel. And another scrunchie. So that's kind of fun. She has, don't know what this is. It's a 10 to 14-year-old girl. So in here I've put a couple of pairs of panties, and she has some menstrual pads. so that when she has her period, she has a way to protect herself and be able to still go to school. And she has a little bar of soap that's allowed this year. And this bar of soap, it is a hotel soap, but it has like bumps on it, which I thought she could use to clean her pads with the bumps on them. I thought that might be helpful. And then, of course, she has this little waterproof bag that she can put her supplies in and be ready to go to school. She has a little fidget toy. These are pretty fun. She has a Rubik's Cube, a Pop-It, a toothbrush, a beach ball, some colored pencils. She has a cute little journal. It says love notes on it. She has one of those little, those little puzzle things. I always thought those were kind of fun. She has a pencil pack with some pencils and a pen and some scissors and glue and a pencil sharpener. She has a backpack. She has a little craft. This one is Jesus Calming the Storm, and it has a little brad that you put through the middle, and then on the other side you'll be able to see coming through the little pictures that tell the story. And then she has a note from me. And she has prayer put in her box too. That's the most important thing. I hope that this has given you some ideas so that you can pack an Operation Christmas Child box this year, or maybe more than one. With the recent hurricanes that we had, I know that there were a lot of people that were affected by those storms that lost their houses and lost everything, that probably were going to pack shoe boxes, but now they're just in a place where they can't. So I challenge you, there were 2 bad hurricanes, pack 2 extra boxes this year, and to kind of help make up for the fact that so much was lost in those hurricanes. Thank y'all so much for watching. I always put my flat things on the bottom when I'm repacking. That helps to get more stuff in. And if you like this video, if you've gotten some good ideas from it, please share it with somebody else who might be trying to pack an Operation Christmas Child shoebox this year. Please hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Toodles!